As we enjoy cooler fall temperatures, winter will be here before we know it. With this changing of the seasons, it is critical to have your annual furnace inspection done by a professional. With all the day-to-day chores and expenses that come with owning a home, it can be easy to neglect your furnace. Many people don't think about their furnaces until they come home to a cold house. So here are some reasons why it is important to regularly maintain your furnace. It prevents expensive repairs. Furnace maintenance can seem like yet another household expense that you could do without. However, preventative maintenance can save you money in the long run. When a technician performs a maintenance check, they can repair or replace parts before they cause more significant issues. For example, a condensate drain cleaning for high-efficiency furnaces can help prevent expensive furnace repairs. If a condensate drain becomes clogged, water can become backed up and leak from your furnace. Not only can this damage the flooring and other items in your furnace room, but it could cause serious damage to your furnace. A simple cleaning could prevent this big problem. Quiet operations. One of the loudest pieces of equipment in your home is typically the furnace. You will often hear the rumble and loud sounds of the furnace starting up. However, if you feel like your furnace has become louder over the years, you do not just hear things. As a furnace runs, screws become loose, panels dislodge, and vibrations increase. Without proper maintenance, a furnace will vibrate more and become much louder than you intended. During a cleaning, a technician will help secure all furnace elements and replace screws where needed. Along with the furnace itself, the duct and pipe brackets are also secured to reduce noise. Better efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of annual cleaning is better efficiency for your furnace. When the furnace boiler and ducts are cleaned, the furnace will run at better rates and not need to run as long to provide heat for a home. A furnace with better efficiency can save you much money in the long run. You do not have to pay extra for oil and can heat your home for a lot less each year. Of course, the efficiency of every furnace is different. Still, in some cases, the savings from the furnace could completely offset the costs for cleaning. A special calculator can help figure out differences as well. RC Duct Cleaning is a leading air duct and dryer vent cleaning company in Washington, D.C. We have the equipment and training to do the best possible job of cleaning and decontaminating your entire air duct system. Click the first link in the description to get a free quote.